Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix common error in Snapchat. If you want to fix common error in Snapchat, you could do this by following the simple steps. Now first thing, you could go with the basic checks, that is checking your internet connection. So you want to swipe down from the top of the page and there you have these internet, right? Long press, and next you simply want to go ahead and there you have Wi-Fi or mobile data, whatever you're connected to. Just toggle the button, wait for 20 seconds, and then once again reconnect it, and that might also be able to help. Next, you also want to make sure to restart the router at the same time. That can also be able to help. And now other way of fixing some of the common issue is by simply holding on to your side button, and then you could see the restart button. Now restarting your device can also be able to fix some of the temporary glitch. Now this is another way. So what you could also do is, if the issue still persists on, you could try these steps. That is, long press onto the Snapchat application, click on the app info icon, and then go to storage and cache. Now here you would click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data, so only if you're sure about it you could do that, otherwise just leave it as it is, and then head over to your respective app store and update the app to the latest version. So these are some of the ways to fix common error in Snapchat. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.